back to another episode of SLURRY's Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite dishes. We're making Korean JJAJANGMYEON. JJAJANGMYEON uses a roasted black bean paste tossed with a bunch of vegetables, typically some pork belly, and nice chewy udon noodles. It is super easy to make, I kid you not, and so delicious. Let's go ahead and get started. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to click that little notification bell at the top so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye! Yeah.